going for your bath, homie. Let's go, let's go. Go on. Come here, bro.
Ow! No biting!
Is that all you need from me? Do I need to sign anything? Sure.
And we got 8 pens.
Oh, yes.
And just right there, it changed a little bit.
Perfect.
Perfect. And wonderful.
Okay, we'll see you guys in a bit.
See you in a couple hours.
Yeah, thank you. We'll be installing that later. Woo! Such a beautiful day. All right, so I think Eddie's uncle's shop is only open till 4, so that leaves me like less than 20 minutes to get there, and it takes at least 15 minutes to get to his shop. It's this JDM store that we've taken you to before, and they sell a whole bunch of like JDM paraphernalia, the wide angle mirrors, the air fresheners, all that good stuff. And earlier, like you saw, I dropped off Gohan at the PetSmart. That's where I get him groomed, and he's used to the people there. Super nice people. That gives me a couple hours to just kill. It is hot. Maybe jeans wasn't the smartest idea today. We'll see you guys at Make Zone. That's what the place is called. All right, I got like 2 minutes, and I don't see the other guys' cars here, so I'm assuming they already come and gone. So let's see if this place is still open. Are you guys still open? Yeah, I came to check it out. I think Eddie came by earlier today.
Just, I think 5-10 minutes.
Yeah, I thought so. Okay, well, I'll quickly do my rounds before you guys close up. Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I'm stores in the city, so yeah, that's why. Yeah, if you don't mind, if I can like take some clips. Yeah, that'd be awesome. Yeah.
I know what's happening.
Yeah, for sure. Exactly. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
So if you guys aren't familiar, this is actually Casey's parents own this store. Half of it is Hello Kitty and the Gunpla stuff, and then the other half is all the JDM stuff. So you have like wide Broadway mirrors, steering wheel covers, even seatbelt covers like this. Super cool. I'm gonna pick up some stuff for the Supra, stuff like this, and we'll catch you guys in a bit. All the cutesy stuff. Kawaii desu ne. Seriously. Actually, this is the part you'd probably be interested in. I'll get that TRD sports badge too. Yeah. And I think that'll be it for me. Just a couple of things. Or maybe one of these two.
Air freshener.
Yeah, always. Usually I go with squash.
You want the squash?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Sweet.
Sweet blue?
Yeah, exactly. It's like a dark, yeah,
right?
steel blue or something like
It's
that.
okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
That's the new ride, so. Well, thank you so much, yeah. Well, we'll see you guys later, okay? Take care. I'll give you guys a shout out and send more people this way. Okay, good night. Those guys are so nice. Guys, go to Make Zone. Should I pick up some pastries? Okay, I'm gonna go back home because I still have to pick up Gohan. I think he's almost done his shower. And also, we're gonna be installing something on the Supra today. Not the aero parts, because I still plan to get that PPF'd, but we're gonna be installing probably the cheapest mod that we've bought for this thing yet, fortunately. It's the engine intake. We're gonna kind of customize it. All right, let's go grab this kid. Yeah, hey, what's up, buddy? Yeah, no kidding, hey?
No.
All right, so this is all I need from you guys? Okay, awesome. Thank you guys again. You too. Yo, you're so fluffy. Woohoo. Oh, sorry. Yo, go on, chill. His butt's so fluffy. Go on. You fresh, boy. You fresh. Woo. Smells good. Smells like a bowl of fruits. He's too excited for the ride. Okay, I'm gonna bring him to my parents' house, and then I'm gonna bring the Supra to the garage and get started. Finally. Just gotta get the errands out of the way first. Let's go, my boy. All right, homie. Oh.
It's me here.
Oh, the rent's not home? Oh, really? Where are they?
IKEA.
Oh, okay. They're gonna be home pretty soon.
I don't know. You could call him.
Sure. He just took a bath. He's fresh.
I don't know. Maybe.
Bye-bye.
Wait.
Alright. Let's open this up inside.
Can I come see them?
Yeah, of course. Alright, so the 2020 Toyota Supra engine intake actually comes in 3 finishes, including chrome silver, textured black, and red. And I ended up going with chrome silver. Boom. I actually also had an idea for the filter. They said it was a 4-inch inlet, so I'm hoping that my HKS honeycomb filter fits on this perfectly. It's green. Beautiful. Shiny silver chrome. Alright, should be something like that. Got your clamps, got your heat shield, beautiful engine plate. I think this is one of the finishes that one of the other intakes come in. It's like a textured black. I mean, that would have been cool too, but as long as I keep this really clean and you can see yourself in it, I think silver chrome is the way to go. Should be fairly easy because it comes with a super thorough step-by-step guide. Thank you, InGen, and hopefully this tutorial helps you guys out too. Let's go. You know what, before we take anything off, let's get a couple of sound clips of the stock intake. Help me out. By the way guys, I am using a mic now, so there should be less wind noise. Alright, oh, we gotta take off my brace. Damn. Oh well, that's okay. I forgot this was on there. Look at these guys packaging. They make sure that all of the parts and pieces are inside the box. Tick, 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 tick. I guess it didn't come with the engine aluminum badge, but it did come with this. So that's just as cool. Larry's actually finishing up in here. Oh damn, you got the wheels on, what the fuck? Shit. These are the ones we opened the other day. Yo, the fitment's good. Damn. That's like perfect with your wide body, man. So Larry can bring his little Tez out, and once that's out, we'll bring the Supra inside. What? We don't have to take off the wheel. You can just lift it up a bit and just do that. So first step, disconnect the mass airflow sensor. Ooh la la. Remove this rubber grommet here, just to make it easier.
Wallace and grommet.
I got you. So for the heat shield, you're actually just going to be using OEM bolts, and one of the bolts are located near the battery terminal, so it's this guy. Guys, super short ram. Boom! What you know, what you know.
Too big. Too big. Too big.
Too big.
Too big.
You know, you guys just said water in Tagalog.
Really?
Too big.
Too big.
It's too big. Save bolts for later. So when installing the heat shield, the front tab, this one, is going to go on the front radiator support. And then I think this one, the back tab, is going to go where you took out that bolt. You want to remove the 2 screws that are holding the temp sensor. What? This is smaller? What the hell, dude? They're all different sizes.
It's BMW, man. Germans use these things.
Serious? Picked up some dessert at the same place we got the JDM stuff. Hey. install the black engine silicone and only tighten the bottom part to the plastic intake tube. Damn, okay. That's close. Let's put this back together. There you have it, guys. So we'll check for any leaks and we'll also do a sound test. Alright. I'm gonna get you to rev actually so I can hold the camera out there. It's in neutral, okay? Just in case.
Your warning popped up.
Turn it off.
That sounds cool.
New part for the engine bay. So now is when we actually start working for power on this thing. My plan is to actually install everything first before we put this on a dyno. So we got the exhaust, the downpipe. We're also gonna do the boot mod for this. This engine is the first of the aftermarket power parts. All right, so the engine intake install is complete. Only took us roughly like 20 minutes. I just had to remove my tower brace, that was all. Here's the stock intake box. Super bulky, so much cleaner. You know what? I think I'm gonna take off this sad face. It's actually in my way. Gang's all here. Sick. What's up, homie? What the heck? My brother called me and told me they were at the off leash, really close by the garage. So, what? You're wet, dude. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Yeah, we're gonna go to Senores. All right, we are now at this really greasy pizza joint called Senores, and we're gonna pick up some pizza, bring it home, and we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night. Okay, so maybe not the cheapest mod for the Supra, but still the cheapest mod that I bought for this Supra yet. Even the rear Cusco bar was around the same price, but this is a power mod and supposedly gives you around 15 to 18 horsepower, depending on how you tune this thing. I also forgot to put this thing in, but looking at it now, I don't even think we'd be able to fit this underneath the tower bar, so whatever. All right, so I guess that's it for this video, but before I let you guys go, just want to remind you that we restocked on all of the hoodie colors on our web store, so go grab your cake. And as usual, if you want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button with the notification button ticked, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Catch you later.
Of my girl all up on me. You said, do you ever wonder what me